actually need from a data purposes. HorizonDB collapses both into database for PostgreSQL, spin. Okay, big database news. Microsoft just dropped Azure HorizonDB into public preview at Build 2026, and the framing is this is the first PostgreSQL service designed from the ground up for agentic AI applications. Now, I know that sounds like marketing word salad, so let me unpack what HorizonDB actually does, because it is genuinely different from what Azure has shipped before. 3 numbers tell the story. 1, up to 3 times faster transaction performance and 3 times faster search performance than the older Azure database for PostgreSQL flexible server. That's a real benchmark on the same workload with the same CUL, faster. 2, ultra low latency with read scale out across replicas, which means your agents can do many parallel reads against the same database without hammering a single instance. And 3, it ships with native vector indexing and semantic search built in, so you do not have to add a separate vector database into your stack to support RAG and agentic workflows. One database, one connection string, classic PostgreSQL plus vector plus semantic search. There's also a 4th thing that I think is the actual moat. In database model access, HorizonDB lets you call Microsoft Foundry models directly from inside SQL queries, which means you can do things like select ID, title, summarize content using model from your articles table, and you get a column of AI generated summaries back in the same SQL query without round trips to a separate inference service. It's live today in 5 regions: Australia, East, Central US, Sweden Central, West US 2, and West US 3. More regions in the coming weeks. The pricing structure is not fully public yet, but the public preview is open, which means any Azure customer can start using it today. So in the next 6 minutes, let me explain what HorizonDB really is, how it compares to AWS Aurora and Google Spanner and Vertex Vector, what agentic applications actually need from a database, the trade-offs, and the 3 moves you should make this week if you build on Azure. Okay, first, the architecture story. Microsoft's been running Azure database for PostgreSQL for years in 2 flavors, the single server and the flexible server. HorizonDB is a fresh design with a separation of compute and storage, so you can scale them independently. The storage layer is built to handle massive parallel reads, which is what agentic workloads do. The compute layer is built for predictable low latency, which matters when an agent's reasoning loop has to issue dozens of queries in a single human perceived response. Then on top of that, they layered vector capabilities natively. So you can store embeddings, run nearest neighbor searches, and do hybrid lexical plus semantic queries all in the same database with proper SQL syntax. The vector index they're using is optimized for high recall at low latency, which is the right trade-off for RAG agents that need fast, accurate retrieval, not bulk training data. Plus, in database model access, this is the killer feature for agentic apps. Instead of your app code looking like query the database, send results to an inference endpoint, get an inference, send back to user, you can write SQL that calls the model inline, select user query, classify intent using model from sessions, that kind of thing. The model invocation happens inside the database engine, so latency drops, code surface shrinks, and your security boundary stays inside the database. Big architectural simplification for agentic apps now versus AWS Aurora. Aurora has been the gold standard managed PostgreSQL for years with separation of compute and storage. So the architectural shape of HorizonDB is similar. Where HorizonDB pulls ahead is the native vector indexing and in-database model access. With Aurora, you typically pair it with pgvector for vectors and Bedrock for model invocation, 2 extra integration surfaces. HorizonDB collapses both into one product. That's a real advantage for teams who do not want 3 connection strings to maintain. Versus Google Spanner with Vertex Vector. Spanner is exceptional for globally distributed transactions, which HorizonDB is not. So if you need multi-region strong consistency for financial workloads, Spanner is still ahead. But for the much more common case of a regional or geo-redundant app that does agentic AI plus traditional data, HorizonDB simplifies the stack significantly. What agentic apps actually need from a database: quick list. 1, low latency for reasoning loops. The agent will issue many queries during a single response. 2, fast vector search for RAG retrieval, ideally hybrid with full text. 3, in-database model invocation to skip the round trip to an inference endpoint. 4, secure tenant isolation because agents often serve multi-tenant workloads with sensitive data. 5, fast write throughput because agents log a lot of intermediate state. HorizonDB is explicitly designed for that workload profile instead of being a general purpose PostgreSQL with extras bolted on. A few honest trade-offs. 1, public preview means feature parity with the older Azure PostgreSQL services is still partial. Some specific extensions may not be supported yet, and migration tooling from the older flavor is being built. Check the docs before committing a production move. 2, only 5 regions at launch. If your data has to live in a specific region, not on the list, you wait. 3, in-database model access is great, but it ties your data layer more tightly to Microsoft Foundry. If your model strategy is multi-cloud, that's a coupling decision. 4, pricing is not public yet. Public preview is often subsidized, so the production pricing story is the big unknown. Run pilot estimates carefully. So what should you do this week? 3 moves. 1, if you're already on Azure database for PostgreSQL, spin up a HorizonDB instance in one of the 5 regions and run a benchmark with your typical agentic query load. The 3x performance claim is testable in an afternoon. 2, if you build RAG or semantic search agents and you're currently running pgvector plus a separate model invocation layer, evaluate whether HorizonDB collapses your stack to one product. The operational simplification could matter more than raw performance. 3, if you're at a multi-cloud company, get ahead of the architectural decision now. The in-database model access is sticky once teams build on it. Decide deliberately whether you want that coupling. Quick recap. Azure HorizonDB is in public preview, a fresh PostgreSQL-compatible managed service built for agentic apps, 3x faster transactions, and search native vector indexing in database model access through Microsoft Foundry, 5 regions today. This collapses the typical agentic stack of PostgreSQL plus pgvector plus inference endpoint into one product. real architectural simplification for teams building agents. If you build on Azure or you build agents, this is your database update of the year. Hit subscribe for daily Microsoft and AI breaking news. Drop a comment with one workload you would move to HorizonDB. See you in the next one.